Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today I'm going to be stuffing my cash envelopes for the week of July the 30th. Okay, so as usual I have my envelopes here. So I got these from Etsy. The shop name is Our Budget Life. If you want to check out any of her products, I will try to have her linked down below. I am doing the 100 envelope challenge, so I have my box had 101 envelopes, and then I have my little pieces of paper so that I can draw a number again this week. So I decided that I was also going to do the $5 challenge. I don't know. You guys know I've said this umpteen million times, but I really would like to stop spending as much money. I still think I'm frugal, but I think that there is definitely room for improvement as far as my grocery budget is concerned. So I'm using these challenges to try to challenge myself to spend less on groceries and be more creative in the kitchen. Last week I had a great meal plan. I meal prepped and I ended up spending less than $20 at the grocery store, which I'm very proud about. So let's start with the $5 challenge. If you are not familiar with the $5 challenge, I am going to go through all of my cash envelopes. Anywhere there is a $5 bill, I'm going to take it out of the envelope and I'm going to put it in here. And then at some point, and I don't know how long these challenges normally run for, but at some point then this money will go to savings or go to some kind of goal that I'm trying to reach. So, $5 challenge first. So let's just go through these envelopes and see what we've got here. So this is my medical envelope, and I definitely don't have any fives there. Spending, I have a 10 and a 20. So no fives there. Got my Walmart envelope, and I know I have fives in here because the lady gave me like several fives back. So here's 5, 10, and 15 for the $5 challenge. So let me make a note of that here. So minus 15 for the $5 challenge. And that is, I'm going to write the date 7/30. And 15 from 39 is going to be 24. So I should have 20, 1, 2, 3, and 4 left in my Walmart envelope. And let's see here. Let me set these off to the side. I know my daughter, she doesn't have any money. I gave her everything that was in her envelope. Last is my gas envelope, and I have 3 10s in here, so definitely no fives. So let's go ahead and did I put a tracker in here? I did. So I'm going to just write the date and plus 15. That way there's no funny business. You guys will know that everything that's in here is supposed to be here. So up at the top, $5 challenge. Write the date, 7/30, and deposit. Okay, so that is the challenge money. I was so proud of myself when I went grocery shopping. I did a great meal plan. I ate really well this week. My daughter ate really well. Like, we cooked everything we had intended on cooking. I did a lot of meal prep. It was just a good week. So that's the challenge. Now, before I stuff my envelopes, I am going to pick a number, which I don't even think I got my money out, did I? Hang on. I need money. Let's see here. So the way that I do this, if you're new here, I take out all of my money when I first get paid, and then I split it out into 2 envelopes. So week 2 has both my cash envelope and sinking fund money in it. So let me just grab the money that I'm going to need for this week. So let's see. 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60. I think that's right. Okay. I think I got that right. Let's see here. Let's count this. There's 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 70, 85. I think I got that right. If not, the money's over there. Okay, now before I get started stuffing my envelopes, I want to pick a number first. When I did this last week, I realized I probably should have done this first. So 42 is the number I picked last week. We mix these up. I'm not looking. And this is my number. So let's see what it is. 45. That's hilarious. Wow. Okay, well, maybe I should have left those 5s in there, huh? Because I guess I probably needed change. Okay, so let's grab the 45 envelope out. And I do have a dollar bill hanging off to the side here. So I'm going to use this $1 bill so that I can have enough. I'm definitely going to need to do this a little bit differently. The next time I get cash, I'm going to have to get enough ones to make sure that I have enough change. So here is 20, 40, and then 5 ones. So that leaves me $20 from this last week still in here. So 20, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the 40 came from this pile here, which is the new pile of money. Okay, what did I just do with that envelope? Here it is. Okay, so 45 it is. You know, figures it would just be my luck to get something in the 40s again. But that's okay. That means I'm going to have to be really, really creative this next week when I am doing my grocery budget once again. That's okay, though. Still have a lot of food on hand, and I've been inspired by some YouTube channels lately. And I'm going to try to find some things to make with what I have already. So 45 is going in the bag. All right, so what does that mean? I'm going to do the Walmart envelope last because I just can't do the mental math right now. It's just been a long, long week. All right, first up is gas. So I haven't spent anything. I had $30 as of the last week, still have $30. So I'm going to put the date, 7/30. Gonna write deposit plus 10 is going to be 40. And here is a $10 bill. So now I have 10, 20, 30, and 40. I still don't need gas. So I guess this money just gonna have to accumulate in here. Let's see. Did I have a 5 in medical? Oh, no, I did. I was thinking to myself, I was like, wait a minute, I should have a 5 in medical, but I don't because I went to go get a prescription filled. Okay, let's see. We'll do medical first since I have that in my hands. Yes, I went to go get my prescription filled, deposited 15, gave me 13, or deposited 5, gave me 13. I'm going to deposit another 5 today. And that will give me 18. 5 is 18. And I don't have any prescriptions that I need filled this week. So who knows, this 5 might make it into the $5 challenge. Here's 10, 15, 16, 17, and 18 for medical, and this covers any prescriptions or doctor visits. Next is my daughter's fund, and I am going to give her $60 again this week. I went shopping for her last Sunday morning. I got everything she needed for the meal plan and then gave her the rest in cash, but I just wrote one line item because it just is easier. We don't need to track what she's spending her money on. So deposit plus 60 is 60. And here is 20, 40, and 60. Next is personal spending. And I have 30 still from this last week. I haven't spent anything. And I'm going to add another 10 today. I had somebody ask me in the comments how I only spend $10 a week on myself, and my answer was I have everything I need and I don't really have a lot of wants, which is true. And, I just don't go a lot of places these days. I work from home. I pretty much stay home all the time except for, my weekly grocery trip and then to go visit my parents every few weeks, and that's it. So a tank of gas lasts me a really, really long time. And because I'm not going anywhere, I don't know why I mentioned the gas, but I just don't go many places. So that eliminates the opportunity to spend money when I limit my trips out of the house. So here's 20, 30, and 40 for spending. All right, and then last is Walmart, and Walmart is going to get, let's see, 20, 40, and 60. I think that's probably the easiest way to do this is just write how much I'm putting in here. So 4 of this went to the challenge, and we'll write ENV challenge 730, and then we're going to add 60. And that gives me 80. Now, I haven't quite decided what I'm going to do with any of the extra money. I mean, maybe I'll just let it build up in this envelope. I don't know. But here's 20, 40, 60, 80. I am going to challenge myself again to stay $20 or under this week. I did really well last week, and I think I can do it again this week. So my daughter even stayed under $20, which is amazing. So that's that. And then, I don't know, I'm just kind of stumped about something. So I found money in my purse. This is what the pile that I took the $1 bill from. I have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32. I have $32 that I found tucked away in my purse. And I have no idea what this money is for. Like, none. I don't know where it came from. I don't know what it was for. I just don't know. So I'm not really sure what to do with this money. So there is, what did I say, $32 here? Yeah, 32. Let me know down in the comments what you would do with some money that you just found in your purse that doesn't have any plan. Because I don't really know what to do with this money. Like, I have everything I need in my envelopes. So I think for now, we're just going to we're going to tuck it in here, okay? That way, I don't spend it. But I found it, and I was really, confused as to what what that money is for. So maybe we can figure out a plan together. So definitely let me know down in the comments. All right, so that is everything, guys. Those are my cash envelopes. Again, this is for the week of July 30th. I stuff my envelopes once a week. The money in these envelopes is meant to last for 1 week, so until next Friday when I get paid again. Let me know down in the comments how you guys are doing with your budget. Let me know what you would do with that extra money. And thanks again for supporting my channel. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.